Midjourney and PowerPoint. Both are very powerful tools. Well, in this video I will show you how to use both tools to create stunning animated slides as shown on the screen. In this video, I will also provide the source command of Midjourney to generate the images or art for this presentation. Well, if you required source file or object of this presentation, then subscribe this channel and comment me, I will provide you. Most of the object of this presentation has been generated via Midjourney. If you want to learn more about AI tools, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to latest update. So download these source images from Midjourney and wait for the upcoming video in which I will provide a detail about creating this type of stunning animated presentation.